Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we've got this HM0860 Makita chipper. This one has a problem. As you can see, if I plug it in, the light's on, but nobody's home. When that happens, it can be one or two things you can check first. You can check the lead, of course, or even more simply, you can check the brushes. So we're just going to get the lid off and see what the brushes are like. I'll pull that out, it's well down, like you can see that. If you compare it with the new ones, there's a fair difference there. So I think I'll just shove a set of brushes in this and see if that solves the issue. So that it's threaded there a little bit. There we are. A great old machine this. This one was manufactured in 2004. And it's never given him a day's trouble in all its life. Except now. Now if it's brushes, that's quite understandable. Oh, there we go. There we are, didn't come out in two halves. No wonder it wasn't going. Now for the moment of truth. Plug her in again and give her a word. I'm calling that fixed. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.